Okay, so we've just arrived back to Phuket International Airport from Kuala Lumpur. I'm going to make my way now up to immigration control and then out through the arrivals area.
Спасибо.
Has now been landed at the airport. Thank you. 请注意亚洲航空K8204航班已经到达在普吉国际机场。
So I've just passed through immigration. They've scrutinised my passport as always. A few minutes there. Just behind me is immigration. Not allowed to film that. There's a few exchanges when you come out of immigration. I wouldn't recommend you change any money in the airport if you can really help it, because you won't get a very good exchange rate. I haven't got any bags to collect, so I shall just make my way now out to the exit and then over to the domestic terminal, because I'm going to try and catch the bus back, the airport bus. So where is the exit now? Customs and baggage claim. I presume we have to go this way. Okay, so now we're in the arrivals area. Now I need to go left here because I know the airport, but you may need to go right out to where you may be being picked up, taxis, etc. But I need to go over to the domestic terminal, because that's where you catch the airport buses or the Smart Bus if you're using that to get to your resort. Few car hire places. Again, don't forget to check out my wife's car hire business if you're looking to hire a vehicle, whether it be a car or motorbike. Some of the exchange rates you can see: US dollar, not very good here at the airport. Euro 36, not showing the pound there, 42, so not such good rate at the airport. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this brief look at the arrivals at Phuket International, coming off the plane, passport control, immigration, and then out into the arrivals area. And I will speak to you shortly. Something I've just noticed as I've left the airport to catch the bus, the airport bus going to Phuket town, there's actually touts outside telling you to go to a different bus further along, saying that this one doesn't leave, and they're charging 100 baht to do it, which is the same price if you're going all the way to Phuket town. But I'm not going into Phuket town, I'm stopping in Thailand, and I know for a fact that that's only 70 baht, so you have to be careful of the touts. If you want the airport bus to Phuket town, then the one in front of me is the one that you need, not the one that's further down, because the touts will try and get you on that because they're charging a little bit more. So just be careful of that, don't listen to the touts.